Hey Monica, you can create an assessment anywhere, like resources, courses, whatever. When you go to create it, here's the add the assessment, and then you can type, I'll call it the Arbutus example, submit. And then here in the questions, I can choose short answer essay. And then I can put in this rich text box editor that image. So here I already saved one to my desktop. Click that image in. And once it's uploaded, I'll say, okay, it looks good. And then here I put my cursor and then hit enter. And then I would put create a word problem that can be represented by this array. And then you can choose whatever tools you want the kids to have for text formatting. It's visible. You can attach learning objectives and then click save. And then at the top here, you can preview, which then shows you what it's going to look like for the kids. So like here's the picture, there's the directions, and that's where they would provide their answer. Hope this was helpful. Talk with you soon.